क्वेश्चन नंबर 11। ओके, पहला क्वेश्चन क्या होता है, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स विथ परसेंटेज। क्वेश्चन ए 5 पैसे इक्वल टू हाउ मेनी परसेंटेज ऑफ ए रूपी। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो 5 पैसे को कैसे परसेंटेज में कन्वर्ट करना है, राइट। पहले क्या करेंगे हम लोग, सी 5, सो 5 पैसे कैन बी रिटन एज 5/100 into 100। ओके, and see this is 5/100 is equal to 5%, and this is what 100 पैसे, this equal to ये जो यहाँ मल्टीप्लिकेशन साइन है, and that place you have to write off। okay, 5% of 100 पैसे means 1 rupee। okay, so 5 पैसे equal to 5/100 into 100, that equal to, simple you have to write here 5%। okay, next come to question number B, 25 पैसे, B 25 पैसे, this equal to 25% of a rupee। okay, next come to question number C, 30 centimeter dash of a meter, 30 centimeter। okay, it is also you can do like this, कैसे करना है देखो, 30/100 into 100। okay, so this is 30/100 equal to 30%, and this is into means of, and 100, this is 1 meter। so simple you have to write 30 centimeter equal to 30% of a meter। okay, next come to question number D, 6 centimeter dash of a meter, 6 centimeter dash of a meter। okay, this is 6% of a meter, right। next question number E, question number E। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, E क्या होता है, 4 ग्राम इक्वल टू डैश ऑफ ए केजी। ओके, देखो क्या लिखा है, 4 ग्राम, राइट, इक्वल टू डैश ऑफ ए केजी। तो यहाँ क्या करेंगे, देखिए 4/1000 into 1000, right, 4/1000 into 1000, this equal to 4/100 into 10। okay, into 1000। इसको कैसे लिखा जाएगा, सी 4/10/100 into 1000। Okay, this is 4 by 10 means 0.4, right? By 100 means percentage. Okay, into means of, and this 1000 means what? 1 kg. तो हमको क्या लिखना चाहिए? 0.4%. You have to write simple 0.4 percentage, right? So let us come 100 gram dash of a kg. 100 gram, right? This is question F. 100 gram dash of a kg. This also equal to 100 by 1000 into 1000. Okay, then इसको कैसे लिखा जाएगा? This is 100, this is 100, okay, into 10 into 1000. This equal to 1000, sorry, 100 by 10 into 100. This is 1000. This equal to 10%, okay, of 1 kg, right? So simply you have to write 10% of a kg. Accordingly, you can solve all the problems of question 11. Next come to question number 12. 12 में आ जाइए. Find the value of each of the plane. Okay, यहाँ क्या करना है? वैल्यूज निकलना पड़ता है, right? Find the value of each of the plane. First question 40% of 80. उसका वैल्यू क्या होता है? % of 80. This is 12 student A. Here 40%. This is 40% of 80, right? 40% तो मालूम है तुम लोगों को 40 by 100. Of का मतलब क्या होता है? Into. Then this is 80. 80 का 40% क्या होगा? See. This 0 cancel, and this 0 cancel. Now नीचे क्या है? 1 है. 4 into 8, 32 by 1. Simple you have to write 32. So 40% of 80 का वैल्यू कितना है? 32. Similarly 13% of 130. 13% of 130. This equal to 13 by 100 into 130. Okay. 0 cancel. Next 13 into 13 169 student. कितना आता है? 169 by 10. This equal to 16.9. ओके, ठीक है. लेट अस कम टू क्वेश्चन नंबर जी. 25% ऑफ 1 by 15. 1 by 15 का 25% कैसा निकला जाएगा? जी 25% of 1 by 15, right? 25% तो मालूम है तुम लोगों को. 20 by 100 of means into, again multiply 1 by 15, right? Now see, 25 1 ja 25, 25 4 ja 100. This is 1 by 15 into 4, 60, right? The value is 1 by 60. Next come to question number 13. Find the values of each of the following. 30% of 30 kg. 30% of 30 kg, right? देखिए 13 क्वेश्चन नंबर है 30% of 30 kg. This equal to 30 by 100 into 30 kg. This 0 cancels this 0 cancels this 0. 3 into 3 कितना है 19 kg. Okay. Next come to question number 14. Which of the two is more? 10% of 50 और 50% of 8. किसका वैल्यू ज्यादा होता है? फोर्टीन नंबर ए 10% of 50. 10% of 50 equal to 10 by 100 into 50, right? 52 is 100. 2 5 is 10. This is 5. Okay, student. Then 5% and 50% of 8. 50% of 8. This equal to 50 by 100 into 8. 52 is 100. 2 2 is 4. Okay. So किसका वैल्यू ज्यादा है? 5 is greater than 4. Therefore, we have to write 10% of 50 greater than 50% of 8. Okay. Next. So that 10% of 500 and 25% of 250 are equal. Fifteen question number A. LHS लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे लिखिए 10% of 500. 10% of 500. This equal to 10 by 100 into 500. This is 550. Okay. RHS राइट हैंड साइड पर लिखना पड़ेगा 20% of 250. 20% of 250, right? 20 by 100 into 250. Okay. This 0 cancel. Okay. 5 5 is 25. 5 2 is 10. This equal to 10 2 10 जा 20, 10 into 5 50. ओके, सो क्या होगा, दोनों का वैल्यू 10% ऑफ 500 एंड 20% ऑफ 250 बोथ आर इक्वल. ओके, therefore LHS equal to RHS. Okay. Next come to question number 17. Question number 17 क्या है स्टूडेंट? What percentage of 65 is 13? 17 number. What percentage of 65 is 13, right? This is 13 by 65 into 100. ओके, कैसा करना है? पहले यू हैव टू राइट 13 को न्यूमरेटर पोजीशन पे लिखना है, देन बाय 65 करो, देन इनटू 100%. ओके, देन दिस इज 20, पुट द परसेंटेज.